Hello, Harasit here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues with your Hulu app on the iOS. So, first you want to do is go up to the app stores, go here, just go to the Hulu, here we go, and maybe you just don't have the newest version, new update. So where is the open bar, there should be update. But if you don't have the update and you got the newest version and still got the issue, I show two more ways. First way is going to the settings, go all the way down, go to the apps, go originals, and you got the app. So here we got the version, developer, and background refresh. Search bar, show up in the search, show content, and the Siri. Learn from this app. Should be everything on, background app refresh on. But if the issue is still popping up, maybe you just need to go to the here, the hold, click here, remove the app, and you got the remove. Go to the App Store, and here you got the reinstall button. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.